Gonna do a little review of this U.S. General mini toolbox that I got during the parking lot sale at Harbor Freight recently. It was like $12.99 with the coupon. Never thought I would get something, seems pretty useless, but it actually can fit tools. So I have bought a couple of these. I have one in the garage. I put sockets into it, and this one I gave my kids to put their Legos. So we have a bottom drawer, second drawer, and then this top drawer. And you can see you can put different things in there. I think it's kind of like a little fun little box. It's very well made. It slides out in and out very smoothly. The back is magnetic, so it closes and it doesn't just slide out automatically. And another thing I like about these is they're great gifts. So I actually I went back a second day. I bought three more. So this Christmas, I plan to give this out to some other people that I know, and these are great gifts.